Let us understand one more question of revaluation account in the retirement. We see this question as Raman, Ratan and Rajan were partners sharing profits in the ratio 4:2:1. Following was their balance sheet as at 31st March on 2030. So balance sheet में what figures we are given? Creditors are given as 30,000, bills payable are given as 4,000, capitals of Raman, Ratan and Rajan are given as 60, 40 and 30,000 respectively. Other than this, a general reserve is given as 21,000. You need to keep in mind that general reserve, it belongs to the previous year balance sheet, so this has to be distributed among the partners including the retiring one in the old profit sharing ratio, that is 4:2:1. Other than this, in the asset side it was given as cash 14,000, stock 30,000, debtors 22,000, building 40,000, plant is given as 53,000 and motor van 26,000. Let us see the adjustments that are being asked in the question. Adjustment में उन्होंने बोला है the assets and liabilities are revalued. So what is the valuation? As you can see, stock has a new value of 24,000. Previously the stock was of 30,000. इसका मतलब stock का value decrease हुआ है with 6,000. Then debtors are of 21,000. Debtors were 22,000 and debtors has also decreased with 1,000. From 22 it has become 21. Building 45,200. Building was 40,000. It is 45,200. It is appreciated. So the appreciation of 5,200 will be posted in the revaluation. Plant values 53,000 and here the plant value is 50,000. Again the plant has got decreased. So in the revaluation we will be posting the difference amount, which is 3,000. Then creditors are our liabilities. If you can see, creditors here posted as 30,000 and here it is given as 28,000. So there is a decrease in 2,000 in creditors, so it is beneficial for the company. So we will be posting the difference amount of 2,000 in the revaluation account. Let us see the revaluation account. In the revaluation account, as I told you, the stock was 30,000 and the new stock was 24,000. So the value was depreciated and the depreciation, the difference of the depreciated amount is 6,000. 30,000 minus 24,000, we get 6,000. We will be posting in the debit side of the revaluation account. Debtors also got depreciated with 1,000, so we will be posting here 1,000. Plant also got depreciated with 3,000. The difference amount will come in the revaluation, and the total fixed amount will come in the adjusted amount will come in the balance sheet. But here we have to prepare the revaluation account. So now see the building is appreciated with 5,200, so the difference amount of 5,200 is being posted here. 45,200 and 40,000, so the difference is of 5,200 which is being posted here. Creditors, because they were liabilities, जब creditors हमारे कम होते हैं, so it is good for a company to get a less number of creditors. So 2,000 हमारा क्रेडिट साइड में आएगा. जो भी डिफरेंस है इसका 28,000 हो गए थे और पहले हमारे बैलेंस शीट में दिए थे 30,000. सो 2,000 विल बी पोस्टेड हियर. 6,000, 1,000, 3,000, 10,000, it becomes 10,000. 10,000 minus 5,200 and 2,000, we get 2,800. 2,800 will be divided in all the three partners, including the one who is retiring, in will be distributed in their old profit sharing ratio, which is 4:2:1. This completes your revaluation account, and in this question you have to do this much only because the Raman's capital account is not in the syllabus as of now.